I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and today I'm demonstrating month 7, the Crown Coral Block from the Atlantis Block of the Month, designed by Southwind Designs. If you'd like to participate in this block of the month, just contact us. So I'm starting with my center block. I've already created this unit here, and now I'm placing my rectangles with my fold oriented towards the center. And you can see that those just line up, and then I'll sandwich one of my solid rectangles on this opposite side. I might just clip it right here in the center just to keep everything matched up and take that seam, and I'm going to sew 2 of these and continue to work towards my center units. So here are those 4 center units with all of my folds that have been opened up, and it's going to be sewn together in this 4-patch unit to create this cool center pinwheel look. Next, I'm making my my sides to go around my center for the Crown Coral Block, and I've already done these steps with the rectangles and my folded pieces. And so I'm going to place a folded lilac or purple piece on the corner here, and then what I'll do is I'll place right sides together my next segment to create that unit. And I always like to put my clip where that folded piece is so that doesn't move around on me. So I'm going to sew all of these, and then after this unit is sewn, I'll do a little gluing, and we'll be ready to place our pieces to sew our block together. So I have already glued my triangle piece on this section, and so now I'm ready to lay out my block 7. This goes together pretty quickly. And then there is just a plain square in each corner. So I'm ready to sew my block together, and then I'll be ready to do my sashings and then stitch all of my curves. Now that my block is stitched together and I have my sashings in place, I've put my pins where I'm going to make a double curve, and now I'm ready to top stitch all of these seams, and this one here especially to make such a cool opening there for my block, my Crown Coral Block. Thank you for joining me for the 7th month, the Crown Coral Block, which is all finished and top stitched and ready to go.